What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, 3, 5, 7, even 10 accounts stacked on each other. But we only going to use one account to just show you that this works when you promote this particular product on the system here. So anyway, guys, if you're interested in following along, the link's in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Okay, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business. In particular, it's because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. That means that every sale you get 80% of it, and you get it monthly. All right, you get paid monthly with these products. All right, guys. So it's a very good product to promote. Make a lot of money real quick, like build up your income to a point where you don't need to work no more, which I think is heavily important, and stuff like that. All right, guys. So anyway, let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna click on let's go with starting this situation, right? So what you want to do, you want to first start by clicking on the link below. You're gonna say step 1, and once you click on that link below, it's gonna take you to this page here. Take you to your page. This page in particular just is a sales page of the all-in-one digital business. It tells you about it, tells you about it, tells you everything you do, how much money you can make, stuff like that. Just a whole bunch of information, right? So anyway, you decided, hey, I want to purchase this product, I want to try this out. All right, then you just click on the yes I want in, right, for $25. Once you click on yes I want in, it'll take you to another page. I can't do it because I'm already in the system, but it'll take you to another page that it shows a video, and it's about a minute long, 2 minute long, somewhere around there, and it just tells you exactly what you're purchasing, so you understand fully what you're doing. You know what I mean? So anyway, once you do that, you click over, it'll take you to the page. You decide what you want and all that. You can get the $25 business, and you can get 2 weeks free in the HBA Premium, which is another product that's you can make $100 a month on as well, and you get 2 weeks for free. So anyway, guys, you can try that out. And once you do that, right, it'll take you to this page here. It'll take you to a page that looks similar to this. Once you log in, you get your login information and all this. By the way, there are videos for every single issue here, every single part of this part. All right, guys, the videos everywhere. But I'm just kind of doing a speed fast version of what you gotta do. All right, guys. So anyway, so don't worry if you don't fully understand. There's videos showing you exactly what to do. But anyway, guys, you go to the affiliate zone. Once you go to the affiliate zone, guys, when you get to this page here, you want to go down and you want to click on sign up for affiliate program here. You click on that, it's gonna take you to signing up for the affiliate program. And once you do that, you're gonna log into SoundCard. All right, log into SoundCard should take you to a page that looks like this. Once you get on a page like this, these are all your links here. All your links. You won't have money. You won't have money in there. You won't have 4,000 total commissions. Don't worry about that. What you want is the money here. All right. So what you want to do, you want to click on that. Right. Now, you got your link. This is the link you want to use, by the way. You want to use the all-in-one $25 business. That's the one I'm using. That's the one with the recurring commissions, guys. Bunch of products in the system, but this is the one with the recurring commissions, the one that pays monthly. All right, so we go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. Now this is the thing. There's a second step on the video here in the description. It's gonna be the My Lead Gen Secrets link. All right, you click on that. It should take you to a page. I'm not sure which page it'll look like, but at the end of the day, I think it'll basically say log in for My Lead Gen Secrets and stuff like that. And they're gonna try to give you email swipes. You don't need the email swipes, so don't purchase the email swipes. We got plenty of email swipes. It's very easy to get them. All right, guys. Plus, it's limited email swipes. Like, eventually, you're gonna use all of them. But anyway, once you come in, you go to the mailing system here. Click on mailing system, and you click on select all right here. You want to select all your leads here, guys. Log in. Now, what you want to do, you're going to only have 100 leads starting, by the way. You get 100 leads every single day. And you'll build up. You'll slowly build up to like a lot of people. Anyway, next thing you want to do, you want to click on email here. Now, I'm going to show you an email here that I'm going to use. And I'm going to let you be able to copy it, but I'm going to pause and copy like that, right? So, we're going to go on this. Passive income keeps building biggest day yet. Alright, guys? Hey, pause the video, copy that. Alright? If you want to copy the video, pause the video, copy that. This is the email here, by the way. Pause the video, copy it. Pause the video, copy it. Pause the video, copy it. Pause the video, copy. That's it. That's the whole email there. Now, once you do that, you put your link right here, right? You put your link. This is the link button. You put that in. Very easy. You hit perfect timing. What that does is send emails around time. People check the emails. You hit preview and make sure your link works, guys. Make sure your link works with preview. And that's about it. Now, if you want to use my email. So it's another way to get emails real quick. Now, if you went with HBA Premium, if you got the HBA Premium for 2 weeks straight, now there's a product in the HBA Premium called the Emerging Magic Content Machine. What this does is make content for you. So all you gotta do is say something like rights and email promoting the all in one 25 digital business and its affiliates. And you can put something like exaggerate how much money. You can put in stuff like this, like little commands like this, and it don't matter. It really don't matter. They don't mind. It don't matter. So when you do that, and it'll write an email, basically whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do in particular, like you want to make it exciting. So like making it exciting. Overzealous. Let's say you want to do exciting, overzealous, zoomer. Funny. Let's say you want to do all that. Just to show you how this works. How good this system is. Right? Content machine. I spelled overzealous wrong. So, and just like that, pow, you got the email that you typed in. You know what I mean? Very simple in that. Let's look at it real quick. Just kind of scan it. Make bit money with all in 21. You're looking to make a lot of money in your investment. Looking for blah blah blah. Here's the bad part. You can get started on $25. Blah 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 blah. No money you make. Maximize the income. Don't wait longer. Blah blah blah. Start making a ton of money. Thanks. Basically, wrote the email for you guys. So you just copy this email. You can click on copy, and you can just take it over here and post it in just like that. And put your link where you need to put the link at. You'll know where. And that's all it is, guys. It's just that simple. And that's all you gotta do. If you want to copy it that way. But anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Links in the description below. Remember that. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.